Benefits of concrete flooring. Dear friends, if you're considering this flooring type for your upcoming renovation, there's good news. There are plenty of benefits associated with concrete, starting with the price. With its clean gray colorway and minimalist appeal, concrete flooring has long been a go-to staple in urban homes aiming for an industrial aesthetic. However, this design detail is increasingly making its way into homes that don't necessarily fit that modern mold, including rustic, farmhouse, and contemporary styles. Cost-effective. Affordability is a huge bonus of concrete floors. Not only is concrete cost-effective, but if it has already been laid as the subflooring, it's virtually free. It's also inexpensive to maintain. Easy to clean. Concrete flooring is easy to clean, especially compared to carpet and genuine hardwood. It's also resistant to bacteria. Durability. Concrete floors are very durable, which makes them a great choice for high traffic areas and homes with pets. As long as they're sealed well, they're water, stain, and fire resistant. They can also become more beautiful over time as they develop a lived-in patina. Saves energy. Not only are you saving trees and the hefty line item of wood flooring on your new build, but long-term, you can save on energy bills with concrete flooring. They help regulate the temperature by storing and releasing thermal energy. Looks sleek. Along with all the above benefits, concrete flooring is beautiful and sleek. It provides a clean backdrop for a range of design styles and doesn't look busy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.